Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, and you see before you a 50 by 40 centimetre or approximately 20 by 16 inch canvas. Excuse me, and I've put some black on there, and I'm going to put the paints onto a dustpan, and I have a little scooper and I'm going to scoop them out, see what happens. And I'm using black, white, orange, red and cobalt blue. So just going to put some colours on. Here I've got silicone in the red and the orange, so that should be pretty nice, I'm hoping. And if I don't like this, then I'm going to swipe it. But here we go. Just a little mix up. Maybe a bit over there. Oh, they look nice. And here's a scoop. Over here. Starting to come along. Nice bright colours here and there. I think it might be a bit too dark. So yeah, I'm just going to lay these colours on. Bring them down. And I'm going to put some more on over the top, and then I'm going to swipe it. It's getting some cell action there, which is quite nice. Actually, I'm going to swipe it, I think, with white, and I'll go from the centre rather a lot, because I will tilt it as well probably. Alright. Here we go. Cars. The recipes for these paints and pouring medium you'll find below. Show more on the gate. So I'll just leave this piece of paper come here, because I miss this bit here, and I want to go over this bit. Okay. Ooh, that does look nice. Alright, so what I'm going to do is give it a little torch. See if we have any magic. We do have some magic there. Now what I would like to do, I think, with this one is another cup. And then just use some of this black and white run over the top. Start from here. Maybe some white here. Right, there we go. And I'm going to wipe my hands off. This is really pretty. Just put some of these over the edge here. Right, and I might just give it another little torch over that I've just put on there, because I can see some cell activity going on. Okay, so I'll just bring you down to take a look, and then wait for it to dry. Alright. So that's what I've been looking at, and beautiful cells, lots of colour. And I like the black and white I put over the top. Looks very good. You can see the beautiful colours there. Oh, bark, bark, bark. Stop barking, little devils. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed, and look at that. That is really pretty. All right, and I'll catch you in the next one. So bye for now.